Tired of that ugly USB cable dangling across your dashboard every time you install a dashcam? If you drive a Honda or Acura with an auto-dimming rearview mirror, there's a smarter way to power your camera, without clutter or complicated wiring. Imagine powering your dashcam directly from your vehicle's existing electrical system overhead. No more tangled cables, no more guesswork. We created an adapter that taps into the power already running to your auto-dimming rearview mirror. Just disconnect your mirror, plug in the adapter, and reconnect. Instantly, you get a USB port ready to power your dashcam whenever your car is on. It's designed specifically for select Honda and Acura models with a 7-pin auto-dimming mirror. No backup LCD display needed. This means no permanent changes to your vehicle, just a clean, plug-and-play setup that keeps your dashcam powered reliably. Why does this matter? For starters, it keeps your dashboard neat and your installation hassle-free. The adapter handles the voltage conversion internally, stepping down your vehicle's 12 volts power to a safe 5 volts USB output, ideal for cameras drawing less than 2 amps. That means better heat management and longer-lasting performance. Plus, the pass-through design ensures your mirror's original functions stay intact, so you don't lose any features. I've personally tested this adapter on my 2018 Honda Clarity PHEV, and it's been flawless for months. No more fiddling with aftermarket 12 volts taps or messy wiring under the dash. The included short USB cable connects directly to my dashcam, powering it reliably as soon as I start the car. It's a simple, elegant solution that saves time and keeps your interior looking factory clean. If you're considering a dashcam installation for your Honda or Acura with an auto-dimming mirror, this adapter is worth a look. It's a straightforward upgrade that removes the biggest pain point, power supply, without sacrificing style or functionality. No drilling, no splicing, just plug and go. If that's you, this adapter could be exactly what you need to protect your drive effortlessly. Ready to upgrade your dashcam setup? This USB power adapter lets you harness your vehicle's existing wiring for a seamless, professional install. Keep your dashboard clean, maintain your mirror's features, and power your camera the smart way. Try it when you're ready, your dashcam will thank you.